In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep status on green in Microsoft Teams if your presence keeps slipping to away. When you're focused on work, these simple settings will help you stay visible to your teammates and share the right context. First, set your availability. In Teams, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. A small menu opens with your current presence at the very top. Click it to see the availability options, then choose Available, the green one. That immediately sets your status to green. Keep in mind, Teams can still update your presence automatically based on your calendar or activity. So if you join a meeting, it may change to busy. And if you step away from the computer, it may go to away. When you return, just revisit that menu and select Available again to make it green. Next, add a status message so people know what to expect from you. From the same profile menu in the top right, select Set Status Message. Type a short, clear note like when you'll be online or how to reach you. Then choose how long the message should stay visible by setting a duration. Pick a time frame that matches your schedule and save. This message appears next to your profile, and when colleagues hover over your name, giving them context without changing your green availability. If you ever need to remove your message sooner, open that same menu and clear it. Finally, you can keep your presence active by starting a quick private meeting. Go to Teams and choose Meet Now, sometimes labeled Start an Instant Meeting. You don't need to invite anyone. You can leave your camera and mic off. While it's running, Teams treats you as active and typically shows you as in a meeting rather than switching to away. This can be useful when you're working heads down and don't want your status to drift, though remember that some organizations have policies about presence, so use this thoughtfully. That's it. Set your availability to available, add a helpful status message with a clear duration, and when appropriate, use a quick private meeting to keep your presence from timing out. With these small adjustments, your teammates will see you as present and reachable, and you can focus without worrying about your status flipping on its own. Thanks for watching, and try these steps the next time you open Microsoft Teams to stay confidently